So guys, I'm back again with my two superstars. Yeah. Say hi, superstars.
Hi.
Alright, so yeah, my hair don't comb, so they looking nice and all, but me just baka. Anywho, they are the star of the show. They are going to do whatever they want to do in the garden right now. I am just here.
The camera girl.
Yeah, I'm the camera girl, but I'm just
Right.
introducing myself to you. So, yeah, welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. I don't know what they're going to do. All I'm going to do is going to do what they want me to do, and anything they want me to do is what I'm going to do. Okay, you get it?
Alright, so I'm going to be doing the talking. But before I do the talking, why don't y'all vote that I won? Like, I saw the comments. You guys were so good. No. I was so good. Remember, it's favoritism. It's always favoritism. I won. Comment under this video or that video that I won.
They won't. They love you both.
I can name one plant. I can name 5 plants. I can name 10 plants. I can name 12 plants. Cap. Okay. I don't believe you're telling the truth. So name 12 plants. Okay. So my 12 plants are tomato, cabbage, callaloo, June plum, corn. That's 5. Jesus Christ. Pepper, bell pepper, sweet pepper.
No, bell pepper and sweet pepper is same.
Jeez. Okay.
Make up order, just say bell pepper.
Bell pepper. So that's how much is that? 8. No, I said that already. Cane. Strawberry. That just ruined the fun. So that was 11. 11. One more. Last one. Hurry up. No, there isn't a timer. When you take too long, it's... The next one is banana. She took too long to say it. The next one is banana.
Mosquito.
Yep. She took over 10 seconds, so it doesn't count because she took too long. I bet you can't name any plants. I can name 16. Challenge you. I don't think you can name that much. Alright. Pomegranate, dragon fruit, pumpkin, pineapple, callaloo, banana, potato, cane, corn, sweet corn, coconut, 11, mulberry, 12, pepper, sweet pepper, that's 14. Tomato. Wait, 15. I named 15? Yeah. Strawberry. Okay.
Savoya, see the sugar cane over here?
Yeah.
That you said. The banana was up there.
Yeah.
This is the sugar cane. I'm actually going to take them out of this container. I'm not sure when. Dijon, you know how to break a sugar cane?
No. Hi there.
Savoya, you know? No, don't break it. Don't break it. Because they don't know
how. Oh, don't you like have to do that and then pull it out? Should me and Dijon try it together?
It. Like what?
Like pull it.
None of you saw when they do it. None of you ever see when they
push.
Break it in the country?
No.
When in country?
Like hold it at the bottom here and push the bottom and break it.
Push it forward, let me see. Push it now?
So
Wait. Another one.
Yeah. Yeah. What did it? Oh, shit. Wow. Uh-oh. Is it sweet or it's not sweet? I think it's gonna be sweet. Yes.
sweet or fresh?
Our special knife that even Gordon Ramsay uses.
Whatever.
Gordon Ramsay doesn't use that.
Let me chop it. Come,
He
come,
thinks
come.
he's Gordon Ramsay.
Did it already? Alright, let me cut it down to you. And you all taste.
I'm holding the camera because I normally do this. I'm a professional at it.
Ah.
Oh, stop.
Oh my god. Alright, let me finish peel it. And then butter you can place it. I'm not going to say anything. My gardening family. This is sugarcane in container.
Ow.
I'm coming.
Oh.
I'm going to take them from the container because they're root bound. I realize that much. So here, come to here, come to here, please. I just want to take the camera, Alicia.
Should I taste it? Or I'm gonna wait for the
Hold this one. I'm going to take the camera. What are you going to taste it until?
Alright. Okay. Cheers.
Go ahead.
Huh. It tastes sweet. Very sweet. I love the juice. Very
You
sweet.
love the juice, Savoya? Is it sweet though?
It's very sweet. It's really nice.
I legit was not expecting that.
Okay.
I wasn't expecting it to be so sweet. You were expecting it?
No, I wasn't expecting it. But legit, I really think it's really good and sweet.
Exactly. Like I was so surprised. I was so genuinely surprised. I'm telling you, I was so surprised. I was genuinely surprised. I wasn't expecting it to be so sweet. So what you have to say?
Alright,
Friends?
go ahead. Okay, I have to say it was really good. And like the first taste, you don't really taste anything, but as you chew it, it starts to get sweeter, and that's how like it progresses, and that's how you feel that it's sweeter. So I think it's really good.
Alright, so instead of saying such a long sentence with phrase, paragraph, you could call it
Please.
anything because it's so long. I'm going to say a short and simple sentence with a little thing I added on. It's very sweet. Very, very sweet. But you want to know what else is sweet? You all know it. It's me.
Not funny. Yeah, do this some. Mind the knife. Be careful. I'm just going to strip this part off so we can have the rest. Oh, I'm not going to do this part. This part that goes out here. I need it. Give me the knife. This is so good. I wasn't.
You see that? I just beat the trash.
In the past, you know that you can literally come at this. The head. Hold it. Yeah, hold. Move your hand. Let me chop. Alright. You see this part? Mine will cut you. Will slice you. This part right here.
It's a sword.
This is the top or the head. You can literally plant this back. You can literally plant this back and it will grow more new thing. You think for you.
Okay, aunties and uncles, so now I'm gonna pick some mulberries.
Here. You're on here, so. Alright, go and wash them and come back and tell me how they taste.
Okay, now I'm gonna try one.
Put them all in.
Okay. They're really good. And it's actually my first time trying it. They're really nice, sweet. I really like it.
Like them?
Mhm.
Okay, I only have to say I didn't have.
I've tried gooseberry before, so I want to see how sweet it is. Very sweet. Super sweet.
Okay.
Alright, so I go and wash it and come back.
It's not sweet. It's very sour.
Why did you tell her that it is sweet?
Because he's trying it for the first time and we thought it was sweet, so it's only fair.
But now she's going to get the shock of her life.
It happened to us.
I'm back.
When you
Oh, yeah, taste it.
come back in the frame, Savoy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Uh-huh.
Alright, ready.
Okay. Okay.
No. Yeah. Taste it.
Ow!
Come back here. What happened? I get tricked.
That's so good!
Some of it got in my face.
Because I told her that it was sweet. Karma. What happened to her?
It's
It's
very
sour,
sweet.
but it's actually it tastes like tomato.
Really?
Tomato.
Like
Let me
a
correct
cake?
her. Tomato is what they say over in England. We're in Jamaica. It's tomato.
It tastes like tomato.
Yes. You're the chat. Yes. Like tomato.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.